This is our second part of the review of the key terms related to project life cycle. Iterative relationship of project phases. Ideal for projects such as research, the next phase of the project is not planned until the current phase of the project is underway. The direction of the project can be changed based on the current work in the project, market conditions, or as more information is discovered. Kill point. An opportunity to halt the project based on project performance in the previous phase. Kill point typically come at the end of the project phase and are also known as phase gate. Matrix structure. An organization that groups staff by function but openly shares resources on project teams throughout the organization. Project managers in the matrix structure share power with functional management. There are three types of matrix structures: weak, balanced, and strong. Operations management. Operations managers deal directly with the income generating products or services the company provides. Projects often affect the core businesses, so these managers are stakeholders in the project. Organizational process assets. Resources that have been created to assist the project manager in managing the project better. Examples include historical information, forms, project approaches, defined procedures, and templates. Overlapping relationship of phases. It allows project phases to overlap to compress the project duration. This is also known as fast tracking. Part-time project team. The project team works on the project for a percentage of their scheduled time. The project team may work on core operations and other projects in addition to the current project. Partnership project teams. Through timing agreements or alliances, the project team may be formed from many different organizations for the duration of the project. Predictive life cycle. The project scope, budget, and schedule are defined early in the project. The predefined phases of the project focus on specific project work, so the project team members' participation may fluctuate from phase to phase. This is known as the waterfall methodology or a plan driven project.